We lift them up, now watch us break it down. Blizzard.
That was the perfect storm blizzard.